Hello. Good morning to all. Good morning. Good morning. Any
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Jehovan, Abigail, Hannah, Anushka, Efrana, Joshua, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all. Okay. So now everyone understood yesterday the topic which we were doing. Okay, now we'll do a little different type of question. Okay. If okay. If cos 20 plus x is equals to sine 30 degrees, then find the value of x. So this is your question. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the value of sine 30 degrees? What is the value of sine 30 degrees? Can you see from the table? Anybody? Unmute it and say the answer.
30.
No. Sine 30 degrees 1 by b. Okay. So it means that cos 20 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 because sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Now tell me when the 1 by 2 value is there in cos, like which degree? Which degree of cos will equals to 1 by 2? Abigail, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Can you see the cos table? Where 1 by 2 is written?
60 degree.
Yeah. So can I write like this? 20 plus x is equals to cos 60 degree. Yes. Now this cos and this cos will cut. So 20 plus x is equals to 60 degrees. Now this will go that side of the equals to x equals to 60 minus 20, x equals to 40 degrees. Understood, guys? Write it down.
Explain the beginning part again.
Which part?
The sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, and then after that, I didn't get how you changed it.
See, 1/2 value. Can you see the cost table? See the cost table and tell me where is 1/2 in cost.
60 degrees.
So that's why I wrote cost 60. Because 1/2 can be written as cost 60. That's why. Quickly write it down. Yeah, shall I write this? Ezekiel, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just explain it again.
See, what I did, sine 30 degrees can be written as 1/2. Now, here 1/2 can be written as cos 60. If you will see the cost table, where you will get 1/2 at cos 60. Cos and cos will cut 20 plus x will equal to 60. 20 will go that side, will become minus, and then answer will be 42.
So how is it 20 plus x?
Because cos 20 plus x equals to cos 60 degrees. So cos and cos will cut, remaining behind 20 plus x. So 20 plus x equals to 60 degrees, like this. Okay. Okay. Now this is the question. We have to find the value of AB and BC if this is 30 degree. Okay. Now, okay. So, what is given? It is given that hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. AB can be written as perpendicular. Yes. Why perpendicular? Abigail? Why AB is perpendicular?
Because it's
Because
opposite to the angle.
yeah, it is opposite to the angle, so this will become perpendicular and this will become this. Okay. Now I will ask question from Anna. Anna, how do you know how we'll find the value of P? No? Anybody wants to try? Give a try, like no, nobody? Okay. So can you tell me, Anna, how sine theta can be done as sine theta is equals to
Sine
per
30 degrees.
no. Perpendicular hypotenuse. This is the formula for the sine theta. Yes. So sine 30 degrees can be written as perpendicular hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is 5. Yes. So sine 30 degree value is 1/2 is equals to perpendicular upon 5. This will go and it will multiply. It will become 5/2 is equals to perpendicular. Perpendicular is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Understood? Everyone? Jehovan, did you understand? No. See, first of all, what is sine theta formula? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now, because theta is 30 degree, because the angle is 30 degrees, so I wrote sine 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now hypotenuse is 5, so I wrote 5. And the sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. See from the table. Now 1 by 2 is equals to P upon 5. Yes or no, Jawan? Now 5 will multiply with this 1, it will become 5 by 2. The 5 by 2 is 2.5 centimeters. Ezekiel, did you understand?
So why did you choose sine?
Okay, good question. See, why I choose sine? Because I want that trigonometric function in which perpendicular and hypotenuse is there. So you can choose sine or you can use cosec. Sorry. You can use cosec also because cosec also has perpendicular and hypotenuse. Understood? No. Everyone understood? Anna, Ezekiel, Abigail, Anushka, Joshua, Jahuan, everyone understood, beta? Now write it down. Then I will give you one question. Like we'll complete the second part then. Quickly write it down.
So when the hypotenuse is 5, like there are those 6 right angle things where it's like 3, 4, and 5. So that doesn't apply here.
No, it's not applied. It's like if a hypothesis is 5, there will be different answers on it.
Okay.
Like here we got 2.5 and we'll find the base also. Okay. Now it's like we got that the answer of perpendicular is 2. Now Ezekiel will tell me. Ezekiel, now I have to find base. I know perpendicular, I know hypotenuse. So what property or what you can want to do?
Cosec.
Cosec. Cosec is related to perpendicular and hypotenuse. Both are known. So no need to do cosec. Any other trigonometric ratio? Either you are saying cos.
Sir,
Hmm?
but over here, can't you just use the formula and find it out?
Sorry? Say it
Like
again.
over here, we nothing down.
See, you can use any trigonometric function to find the value of base. For example, can I write cos? Because cos theta can be written as base upon hypotenuse. Yes. Now cos, because 30 degrees there, so cos 30 degrees equals to base, which I don't know, and hypotenuse is 5. Now value of cos is root 3 by 2 is equals to base upon 5. Now this 5 will go to the that side, will become multiply. So 5 root 3 by 2 is equals to base. So it will become base is equals to 2.5 root 3. This is the answer.
So won't I find it easy if you use the Pythagoras formula?
You can find it Pythagoras formula also. If one you got, but it's gonna be a bit difficult because point you are getting, no? That's fine. But you can use this thing also because this is easy for it. Like when you will known to it, then it will become easy for you. Johan, Anna, Anushka understood? I'll give you one more question to more clarity on it. Abigail, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ezekiel, you got it? Then you will assist me in the next question. Done? Shall I erase this? Guys, done?
Should we copy the base also, sir?
Yes, everything.
Okay, then 2.
But sir,
Hmm?
we've got if we found perpendicular with the other formula, then we can use the Pythagoras formula, right?
Pythagoras.
I mean the h square is equal to p
But
square.
in that, see, only one value is given, like hypotenuse was given, perpendicular and base was unknown. Now h square is equals to p square plus b square. Now in that equation, p and b both are unknown. Then how will you use that? If you
No,
will
I mean
get
like
two values,
you found already 2.5 is perpendicular. We can
yeah,
put that
then
in.
you can use that, but you can use see, by the way, I'm telling you, you can use that. Okay, can I this? Okay. Now, Ezekiel, turn on your camera. Everyone turn on your camera. Don't play with your camera, please. Ezekiel, help me. Now, what is unknown? H and base is unknown. So AC is equals to S is equals to question mark because I don't know that. BC is equals to base is equals to question mark. I don't know that. But I know that perpendicular is equals to AB is equals to tension. Yes. Ezekiel, help me. Help me, Ezekiel. Unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
So you have to choose that trigonometric function in which perpendicular is there, and if you want to find base, then perpendicular base is there. Tell me that trigonometric function.
Tan.
Yeah. So it means that tan theta can be written as perpendicular upon base. Now how much is this? Tan 60 degree is written as perpendicular is tan upon base. I don't know. Now what is the value of tan 60 degree? Sorry, say loudly.
Root of 3.
Yeah. So root 3 can be written as tan upon base. So now this will go that side, it will become base root 3 is equals to 10. Now its multiplication will become divide. So base is equals to 10 upon root 3. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? Okay. Now I have to do rationalization. Rationalization means I have to multiply with the same base, like root 3 into root 3. So it will become base is equals to 10 root 3 upon 3. This is the base. Yes or no? Have you understood?
Sir,
Yes?
we can't leave base as 10 by root of 3.
No. You can't do it. You have to rationalize. Now, second, A for Anna will help me. Anna, I want to find hypotenuse. So tell me the trigonometric function in which hypotenuse and perpendicular both are there in that trigonometric function.
Cosec theta.
Okay. Cosec theta is equals to what? H upon P. Now cosec 60 degree. What is the value of cosec 60 degree? Could you tell me? Cosec 60 degree quickly.
By root 3.
Huh?
2 by root 3.
Yeah. If it multiply, it becomes 20 by 3 F. Now I have to do the rationalization. It becomes 20 by 3 by 3. Understood, guys? Abigail, Ezekiel, Jehoan, Anushka, Joshua, have you understood? Hannah, H for Hannah, A for Anna. You got it, Anna? Okay. Okay. Can I use this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to do anything further, like in solving this? Like, is there anything else that has to be done with the, I don't know, the hypotenuse and the base? Like, am I supposed to do anything further? Like solving it?
Yeah, I think you have hypothesis. Really good diffraction things. I mean, the terms are there, elevation and diffraction. Okay, so I will teach that, and in that thing, you have to see. Okay, I have to find base. Now, okay, I have to think about a trigonometric function in which hypotenuse and base are related. So either it can be cos theta or sec theta. So you can use both of them, any of them. So in question, if this type of question comes, first you have to draw the table, which I taught you, na? Like sine theta 0, 1, 2, 3, and divided by 4, 4, 4, 4, like this. Understood? Shall I do this? Okay, next question. The next question you guys will do. Okay, quickly do it.
Isn't 5 the perpendicular?
Yes. The perpendicular will be 5 because the angle in front of the side and in front of the angle, reference angle is called as perpendicular. Good observation. Do this question, guys. You have to think yourself, okay, how will you find, like if you're finding base, okay, so there will be the trigonometric function in which base and perpendicular are interrelated. They have to use that thing. Got the answer, Abigail?
No, sir, I was wondering the name that I have, like it was PPR, that's why.
Sir?
Okay. Yes, Ezekiel. Jehovan, you got the answer?
I got
Sir, I'm kind of
Yes.
confused because you said perpendicular is PQ, but then QR has to.
No, I didn't. Oh, sorry. I don't write P, I don't P.
Okay, so
Got it. Got it. Abigail, where you got stuck?
No, sir, the name of the triangle, there are two P's. That's what I was wondering.
Uh, that P was the name and that P is a perpendicular. But it was not perpendicular, it's B. So I think you need to take something.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can we solve it now?
Okay. Okay, so Anushka will help. Anushka, tell me. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 5 centimeters equals to QR. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to PR, which is unknown. And what is B is equal to P. Okay, now Anushka helps me. Perpendicular is given, and if you want to find base first, then tell me the trigonometric function in which perpendicular and base are related. Tell me, Anushka, are you there? Can you hear me? Anushka. Okay. X for tell me the trigonometric function with hypotenuse and perpendicular or base or perpendicular.
Cos theta is B upon C. Based upon
Yeah,
square.
cot theta is equals to B upon C, which means that cot 45 degree
45.
calculate base upon now.
Yeah, cos 45 is 1. 1 equals B upon
sir, Anushka says her network is a little down.
You got this? Everyone got the same answer? You got the same answer? Abigail? As for Hannah?
I got the same answer.
You also got the same answer. Okay, very good. Now next, Anna. A for Anna, come on.
Sine theta is equal to P upon H. And then sine 45 is equal to 5 upon H.
Understood? No.
No, could you solve the last part of the root again?
What part? Sorry.
I got
What?
5 root 2 upon 2. Is it like, I don't know where I'm looking.
No, how it can be possible? Sine 45 degrees. There's nothing is there in
Okay.
then you need to go. Guys, are you getting my voice clear? Any disturbance from my side? No? Jahan, you got this beta? No.
Yes, sir. However, I got hypotenuse as root 50.
Root
Yeah,
50.
I got that if I do it by the Pythagoras formula.
Uh, root 50. Root 50 can also be written as 6. If I will do root times root 50. Okay, so got root 50. Then change it to 25. Then 5. 1. So x is equal to root 50. And x is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 inside that square. X is equal to 5. So you have to do further solution. Okay. Abigail, you got this? How I got 5 root 2?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
So you had already got 5 root 2, right, in the first. Then why did you do that again?
No, Jahuan and Hannah got root 50. So I was telling them how to solve root 50. Like I have to do the prime factorization. I got the pair. Out of pair, only one is allowed to out. So 550. Payment. I was telling to them. Abigail, what you didn't understand? Ask me.
I got it now, so I will explain to Ezekiel.
Which part? Say it again.
You simplify. I was just wondering how you got it, but when you explained to Ezekiel, I got it, sir.
Okay. It's because of Ezekiel. Can we have a clap for Ezekiel? Okay. So now I will give you next question. Okay. Now this is the question in triangle ABC right angle at B. If BC is 8 centimeters, BAC 60 degrees, find the length of ABM. So I will request Mr. Ezekiel, can you draw the diagram? What is saying in this question?
I can draw it in my book, right?
No, on the board.
Oh, so can someone else do that?
No. Yeah. Come on,
Please.
you can do it. I know you. Quickly.
Okay.
Quickly draw it on the board. Can you annotate now?
Sir.
Yes. Write all the values, no? Where is
Okay.
60 degree, everything.
Sir, isn't it written? I mean, the rest you have written it, right? So your voice is breathing.
You have to mark this. Hello, can you hear me now? Hello, check,
It's
check,
like
mic check.
cracked. I don't know if it's already for me.
So your voice is kind of cracking.
Okay. Now, is it clear?
Not really.
It's like a robot.
Oh, what happened?
So maybe if you turn off your video, it might become better.
Now, no? Now you tell me, is it clear?
It's kind of better, but it's still kind of cracking.
Hi. Check, check, mic check. Now, hello. No, it's again cracking.
Yes.
No. But,
You should turn your camera off.
this is again, I'm sorry. Hello, can you hear me?
It's clear now.
Okay. Now I have to write one question, I guess. What is the question?
Sir, you said BC was 8 centimeters.
Okay. Now listen. So Ezekiel, again you have to draw the diagram. Okay, I'll give another one to draw. Okay. Physical saying thank you, sir. So Abigail will draw the diagram. Come on, quickly, quickly. Are you able to annotate? Is it wrong enough, Abigail? Okay, Hannah. Abigail drew the diagram. Is it correct?
So angle A is 60 and angle B is 90.
Okay. See, Abigail, what is written? Right angle at B. Means the 90 degree is at B. Right angle, I told you, it's on B. So it means that this is 90 degrees. Okay. And I always told you that the slant height is always hypotenuse. Okay. And the perpendicular is you have to first find. So it is given that BAC. BAC means BAC means this angle is given as 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, then this is perpendicular, means the 8 is perpendicular, and this will become base. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
So why you did this mistake?
I got confused between 90-degree and the beta.
60 degrees.
Yeah.
And even the hypotenuse is not confused. The hypotenuse is the longest side, it is always slanted. Okay? Now write it down. Can you solve it, guys, by your own? Can I give you next question? Please solve it.
Yes, sir.
Next one, Anna.
I got the answers now, but could you check it, please?
Yeah. Tell me.
B is 8 upon root 3 and H is 8 upon root 3.
This is, yeah.
I took cosec 60. So cosec 60 is root 2, right?
Now, can you check it?
Okay, I got the value wrong.
Abigail, you got it? How I solved it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Divyan. Guys, are you getting it or not? Tell me if you have any problem.
I just forgot to do the rationalize.
Yeah, rationalization is important. It must. Abigail, Jehovan, Ehoana, Anushka, Joshua. Anna, you got the same answer. A for Anna, you got the same answer.
Not exactly because I wasn't finished doing. Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll more focus on the making diagram, and then we'll do next topic. Okay.
So,
So I yes sir.
how many arcs does the diagram hold if we were to consider that?
Sorry, say it again.
If we were to consider the marks of the diagram, how much does it come up to?
See, this chapter is impossible without having a diagram.
Okay,
It means that you have to draw the diagram. Diagram is important for this chapter of solving any question. So if you will not draw the diagram, you will not get it in this
okay,
chapter.
okay,
So that's why diagram is must. That's why I'm focusing on diagram more.
okay.
So when will
Yes,
we
Anna.
have art class?
Doubt class will be on Friday. I'll take on Friday.
Okay.
So Friday there will be doubt class based on the previous chapter. Okay, Abigail, you got it? The previous chapter which we had, okay, they have doubts, so will we have doubt class on Friday. Okay, you can bring this chapter also down if you have. And till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye for Anna, Abigail, and Ishka. Rest, guys. Bring your siblings for the science day.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Everyone turn the camera. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Which chapter did we take? This chapter name is Acid Base Action. So I'll request Shashram. Can you tell me what do you mean by this topic called as acid base action?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
You don't know about any acid, any base. What do you mean by this topic acid base?
Salts are something that comes as a result of the combination acid salt and water.
Okay. Is there one? What do you have idea about acid base topic?
That's one pH scale. Things below 7 on the pH scale are basic. Things above 7 pH scale are acidic.
So you went to pH and it's wrong also. The below is the pH, 7 below is acid, the above is basic, and the 7 is wrong. Good, good. Anna, what do you understand by this topic? By this chapter? Like what we will learn?
Acids are taste sour and they burn things like they corrode things, and bases are
Which it doesn't corrode things.
no, they clean it. Like
So, yeah, next.
and they're slippery. I don't know.
Slippery. That means that soap is a base. If I will put oil on my helmet, and if it is about to slip, then it become my helmet become base for that oil. It is slippery. It is on the floor if oil is there, and if I slip, I will say my face become my floor become base. That what do you mean? Sir? Yeah, you give your view. No idea. Joshua, you want to give any input of acid, base, or salt? Okay. See, acid. First of all, the property of acid is correct as Anna said. First is it is star in taste. Okay. So Jahan will tell me what thing you taste and it becomes like sour. Tell me the any food if you will eat it, it is sour in taste.
Curd, lemon,
Curd, very good. Curd, lemon. So it means that they have acid. Yes, Ron? They are in taste, sour in taste. It means that they have acid. Yes, they have acid. For example, curd has lactic acid and lemon has citric acid. Yes, they have acid. Okay. Second is what is the second? The second point is they are corrosive. Corrosive means um, corrosive means uh, they corrode or rust. Corrosive in this. They corrode the metals. If you will put acid into your hand, then the acid will damage your skin, and it happens also like they will corrode. They will just damage the whole skin also. Just give me a second. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So they are corrosive in nature. Corrosive in nature means they, if you will react the uh, metal with this acid, then the metal strength will decrease because of the corrosive nature of it. Okay. Third point is they change blue litmus paper, blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. Okay, what does it mean? Blue litmus paper into red litmus. Okay. Now understand it like this. For example, there is a test. And acid in it. For example, understand it like a citric acid. And you took a strip which is blue in it. Okay. After after this, the blue litmus paper will change into red litmus. So the blue litmus paper which you did with acid, this change into red paper, it change between that this test tube has acid in it. Understood, guys? No. Okay. Next, next property is they become less sensitive when treated. Okay. So basically, they less like if you will add paste, if you will add soap into the citric agent in the lemon, then the sour taste of the lemon will decrease. Okay, because of the base reacts with acid to form the have it on. Have it on. Yes, finalize this. Okay. Now we'll talk about space. base. The base are taste bitter. First thing is they taste bitter. Okay, bitter means okay. Tell me uh, a base food which is bitter in taste. Anybody?
Correct.
Bitter
Yes.
gourd, aloe vera.
Okay, so you love Karela? You love Karela?
Uh, Depends. If it's fried, yes. Otherwise, no.
Ah, if it is fried, then all the bitterness will go. Then what is the use of that? Okay. Do you know neems? 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 Did you eat neem leaves? The neem leaves also have base. Okay, that's why okay, yeah, like this. You do know. So it's because of neem. Okay. The second is they are soapy to touch. Now, what does this mean? Like, if you will touch them, they are very soapy, soap type. Okay, do you know soap? When you are using soap, it becomes like foam and this thing, no? So they are soapy to touch because they have property of texture. So they are soapy to touch. Third is they change, they change red litmus paper to blue. Okay, how? See, see, for example, if this is a base, and if I will take this red litmus paper into this and dip it, then it will become blue. Because it's the property of the base, it will change red litmus paper into the blue litmus paper. And the fourth point is that it becomes less basic, less basic when acid as when you will add acid into it, then it becomes less basic. That's the last property of the same. Write it down, please. Okay, done. Okay. Now we'll talk about acid. So what acid? Now acid, whenever they react with water, they releases H plus ion. So generally acid have H plus ion that releases, okay, which tells us about that interaction. For example, if I will take HCl and if I will add water into it, so basically what it will happen, it will release it H plus ions, okay, and it reacts with H2O to give H3O plus. It is also called as hydronium ion. So basically, this hydronium ion is responsible for the acid character. Like if acid is showing acidity character, so they are forming H3O plus because of the hydronium ion. So H3O plus is basically tells us that this is an acid. Okay, understood guys? Understood guys? So H3O plus is responsible for the acid. So if you will take more examples, for example, H2SO4, HNO3, HCl. So they have H in them. Even acetic acid, which is H. So they have H in it. This H is when releases, then they show the character of the acid. Understood guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Jehovah? Understood? Write it down.
So what are you writing in the box next to the H3O plus?
Hydronium ion. HYDRONIUM. Hydronium ion. This is responsible for the acid characteristic. Realize this? This one? Realize this guys? This one, Jehovan? Jehovan? Can you hear me? Realize this?
No. Yes, almost done.
Okay, write it down. Tell me when you're done. You're done? Realize this?
Yeah.
Now, in the same way, base also, like acid releases H plus ion, base releases OH minus ion. Base releases what? OH minus ions. This OH minus ions is responsible for the characteristics of space. This OH minus ions is responsible for the characteristics of space. Okay, which minus ion? OH minus ions is responsible. For example, NaOH, and KOH. Basically, this OH ion releases and this shows the basicity of space. Understood, guys? Write it down.
So what does the minus have to do?
Minus is basically we learned in the previous chapter about cation and anion. So this is anion part. OH minus.
Yeah.
This. Yes, guys. Okay. So we'll stop here only. We'll stop here only because the next is indicator. It's a big topic and it needs like this time for that. So we'll stop here only. So I hope you enjoyed the class. And then bye. Sayonara.